Hello friend, hope you are doing great. If you are waiting to apply to AWS Community Builders program, the time is now. Application to apply to a Community Builders is open, so go ahead and apply if you are interested. Before you do that, let me tell you why you should apply and what are the benefits. I am part of this program for the last 2 years, so I can vouch for it. Yeah, there are many more benefits than this, but I am going to tell you a few. One, when you become part of AWS Community Builders, you get a welcome kit and you get cool swag as part of that. I'm sure you're gonna love those. Second, you get $500 credits from AWS which you can put towards your learning. And let me tell you, those $500 are enough for your learning needs. Third, you get one exam voucher which you can use for any AWS certifications. And the most important benefit which I value the most is access to a lot of talented builders spread across the world. You get opportunity to collaborate with them, learn from each interaction, and this is going to help a lot for your career. So with this, let me give link in the description so you can learn more about this program. You can go ahead and apply to it, and I can't wait to see many of you on the other side. So all the best and see you being part of this community.